welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today I received this tool package from Netgear. I already cut the tape out of this one, and I'm gonna cut it out of this one too. We're gonna see what we got in these two packers, not three, sorry. Alright, so we just, and for security reasons, remove the chipping sticker also, so you guys know not everybody's working with good intention. But here we go. So first ones, and I believe this is my new router for the house, and this is not just a regular router, guys. This is just wired router. This is a VPN router, and we're gonna use this one to split the house in two, so that way we got one router only for the money farm, and the other router for the house. We're gonna be having issue because everything is connected to one router and it's not able to handle everything by itself, so it needs some extra help. And right here, it was something I was waiting. When the chef the other day, and I get the Safari Pulsar 5600 60C. Now the ST model, just the 60C only. Just still not opening, so let's see how this look. Okay, I've been trying to do everything with my hands, not trying to hide in my face. I'm just trying to do everything myself. Been having some kind of issue, and I'm doing this on the couch of my house. So I got the YouTube room is kind of a little occupied with some stuff, so I had to do some stuff. You guys can see them. Got regular manual, Safari manual, some more paper. That's not what we're interested in. And wow, super cheap package from them. All right, this is what we got. I never see them packing out something like this. This look like I bought it out of eBay. Alright guys, so you can see it's by the push. It's super light graphic card, 6-pin. Don't see any. Let's see if we can see any thermopass. Yep, we got thermopass in the back. All the plate. We got some kind of one, but I'm probably gonna think I'll put some in there. We got thermopass there. Alright, so I was checking out something. Sorry if you can't see it. So the front, back, super light. Not even counting away with one part. Alright guys, this was super easy unboxing. You guys gonna see a video when I do this and all the thing I've been doing it. And guys, thank you.